Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 921 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, WFLD Technologies is acquiring Tradewind Markets, WonderFi's BitBuy is partnering with Cumberland, and Cathedra has provided an operations update. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so WFLD Technologies, Inc., which trades on the TSXV as WFLD, has signed a definitive agreement to acquire Tradewind Markets, Inc., described as a U.S.-based operator of a global digital precious metals platform. The latter's core products include VaultChain Gold and VaultChain Silver, which offer blockchain-based digital ownership of deliverable precious metals. In a previous press release, WFLD's CEO Levi Cohen explained, quote, WFLD's proprietary decentralized blockchain technologies are set to bring needed innovation to our existing client base, but they have also broad applicability beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. This LOI reflects the company's intent to go beyond cryptocurrency by entering and supporting traditional financial markets and established institutions. We see the large liquid global precious metals market as a perfect opportunity to showcase the value that WFLD can bring to commodity market participants, institutional and retail alike. End quote. Next up for today, WonderFi Technologies, Inc., which trades on the TSX as WNDR, has announced that BitBuy, its main operating subsidiary, has partnered with Cumberland DRW LLC to further enhance liquidity on BitBuy's registered crypto asset marketplace. Cumberland is described in the press release as a specialized crypto asset trading subsidiary within the DRW Trading Group, a diversified principal liquidity provider with more than 30 years of experience in traditional and cutting-edge financial markets around the world. WonderFi's president and interim CEO Dean Skirka said, quote, We are excited that Cumberland is collaborating with BitBuy as a registered crypto trading platform partner in Canada. By accessing Cumberland's deep liquidity, BitBuy is now better positioned as it continues to strive to offer its users some of the most competitive crypto prices in Canada. End quote. Lastly for today, Cathedra Bitcoin, Inc., which trades on the TSXV as CBIT, has published an operations update. The company had previously entered into an agreement with Bitmain to purchase 600 new Antminer S19 XP Bitcoin mining machines to be delivered in monthly increments of 100 machines running from July through December 2022, which it then intended to sell. However, on January 3rd this year, the purchaser declined to accept delivery and make payments on the final 200 machines out of the 600, which resulted in Cathedra retaining those 200 remaining S19 XPs, which produce a total of 28 petahash per second of Bitcoin mining hash rate. On January 20th, 2023, Cathedra deployed 150 of the remaining 200 S19 XP machines at a third-party data center in Tennessee. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. This podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol APCX.